It was a wonderful experience. This is like so fun. Everything was so fun. You know, you should really come. This is so much fun. It is a once in a lifetime experience. You really have to come. It's a lot of fun.
Okay, thank you.
This has been a trip of a lifetime, coming to South Africa with YuYu and experiencing animals, communicating with them, learning about them. Her wealth of knowledge is just like, it's bottomless. Yet there's no better trip.
It is a great trip here to meet the animals here, the peoples here, our mates here, and everything is great. And this is I think it's a great trip for no matter you wanna know about the animals or you wanna healing, and this is a good place to come. So yeah, that's worth it.
Hey YuYu. I debated for a long time about coming on the Africa trip, as you know. I'm so grateful that I have. It has been a great week, many great experiences. I've met some wonderful people who are all on the same journey. It's great to connect with like people. It's great to connect with animals. It's great to be able to see Africa as it once was. This is definitely worth a go. It's definitely worth thinking about, and if you're going to do it with YuYu.
Wonderful time. I feel I'm healed. I still cry. So come and enjoy Africa. Healed.
Good.
We love you.
We love you.
I love you.
We love you.